Hi, in this short screencast, I want to demonstrate how you can realize inside MPS a file visualizer, so a widget that will show the content of any text file. For example, you can insert the path of this file from the KeyBIOS project, and here you can read the source code, and we have also line numbers. Okay, let's start looking at the general structure of our editor. Our editor has one title, the Preprocessor Model Inspector, but doesn't matter. Then it has a place where we can insert the path, a swing component, which we'll use to show the text, and a button, the update button, we can click to, load the content of the file and show it. Let's start from this file. The file is a child of type FilePath. FilePath has just one property, the path property. And we can see that if we look in the inspector, the color depends on the result of this method. This method, getFile, return null when the user has not inserted the path, or when the path insert do not correspond to an existing file. In this way, we get this behavior. If I insert a path that is not correct, for example, I delete this character, the path becomes red. Instead, if the path is correct, it becomes green. So we get some immediate feedback to the user. Now, let's take a look at the swing component we use to show the text. See, we create a JLabel and insert this JLabel inside a scroll pane. And we need to register this component because we need to register this reference to this JLabel in order to change the content of the JLabel when we click on the update button. We just created this class, the Global Swing Components Registry class, which use the singleton pattern. So there is one instance of this class in the system. We can access it using the getInstance method. And we have just a map of map where we insert the component, and the component is identified by the node containing it, and a name, so we can register more than one swing component inside each node, giving a different component role to each one. So that should be quite easy. Now, when we click on the update button, the method loadFileContent is invoked. The method loadFileContent asks for the file. If there is no file because there is not the user didn't insert a path or the path is not correct, we just return. If it is correct, there is this simple utility methods. It just read the content of the whole file, and then we transform it to HTML. When we have transformed it to HTML, we access the JLabel instance using the Global Swing Components Registry. We ask for the component we registered with the name label, just set the text to it. The method to HTML, I just copied this snippet from StackTrace, so thank you to the guys for StackTrace. They just modify it to add the line numbers. You can see the text starts with HTML pre, then the code for the first line. And when I get basically a new line, I insert the code for the next line. And all the rest is just escaping characters and translating that to HTML. These methods just print as bold and in dark green the line number, so it's quite easy. And in this way, this is the results we get.